Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying hardware and opening the sound controls. First, confirm speakers or headphones are powered and plugged into the correct jack or USB. Loose cables cause false low volume. Once done, click the System Tray speaker icon or press Windows plus then System right arrow sound to open controls. Make sure the correct output device is selected as the default. This matters because Windows can route audio to inactive devices, making your adjustments ineffective. Now you're ready to change levels and settings. Next, adjust the master and parap levels so you control what you hear. Move the master slider for an overall change, then open the volume mixer to raise or lower individual app volumes. This prevents one program from being too quiet. Check the app's internal volume controls as well. Many players and browsers have their own sliders that override system settings. If sound is thin or distorted, toggle sound enhancements on or off to compare, because some enhancements can reduce clarity, even while increasing loudness. Finish with advanced tweaks and a practical troubleshooting tip. Update or roll back audio drivers in Device Manager when volume problems persist, because driver mismatches often cause low output. Use your sound card or headphone equalizer to apply gain or adjust frequency balance for perceived loudness, and make sure enhancements like loudness equalization are set logically. If you still have issues, test the speakers on another device. If that works, run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter or boot safe mode to isolate software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.